mathematics class. Children, today I will explain you page number 33. Open page number 33, exercise 2.5. I will explain, estimate the answer by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 10. Solve the question to check your answer. Already we have discussed rounding off numbers in chapter 1. Now see first problem, 45 rounds 2. 45 rounds 2. What we have to do first? First underline the digit in tens place. What is the tens place digit? 4. Check the right hand side digit. What is the right hand side digit? 5. Right hand side digit is 5. So, if the digit is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the digit in tens place. 4 plus 1, 5, and replace 1's place digit by 0. 45 rounds up to 50. Next 28. Underline the digit in tens place. What is the tens place digit? 2. Now check 1's place. 1's place is 8. Is 8 greater than 5 or less than 5? 8 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the digit in tens place. 2 plus 1, 3, and replace 1's place digit by 0. 28 rounds up to 30. Now add this 2. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. 3 and carry over 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 45 and 28 is 73. So 73 is called actual sum, and the sum of 50 and 30 is 88 is called estimated sum. Now second one, 26 rounds 2. First underline the digit in tens place. What is the tens place digit? 2. Now check right hand side. Is it greater than 5 or less than 5? 6 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the digit in tens place. 2 plus 1, 3, and replace 1's place digit by 0. 26 rounds up to 30. Next 55. 55 rounds 2. First underline the digit in tens place. What is the tens place digit? 5. Check right hand side. What is the right hand side digit? 5. If the digit is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the digit in tens place. 5 plus 1, 6, and replace 1's place digit by 0. Now 55 rounds up to 60. Now add this to 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 6, 9. 6 plus 5, 11. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. The sum of 26 and 55 is 81. So 81 is called actual sum. The sum of 30 and 60 is 90. 90 is called estimated sum. Children, third problem is 62 rounds 2. 62 rounds to nearest 10. First underline the digit in tens place. Tens place digit is 6. Check right hand side digit. What is the right hand side digit? 2. Is 2 greater than 5 or less than 5? 2 is less than 5. So there is no change in tens place. Write 6 and replace 1's place digit by 0. So 62 rounded down to 60. 11 rounds to nearest 10. Underline the digit in tens place. Tens place digit is 1. What is the right hand side digit? 1. Is 1 greater than 5 or less than 5? 1 is less than 5. So again there is no change in tens place. Write 1 and replace 1's place digit by 0. So 11 rounds down to nearest 10 is 10. Now add this to sum of 60 and 10. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 1, 70. 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. Now add this to 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 1, 7. The sum of 62 and 11 is 73. Next fourth problem, 17 rounds 2. 17 rounds to nearest 10 is, first underline the digit in tens place. What is the right hand side digit? Right hand side digit is 7. 7 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 7 is greater than 5. So if the digit is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the digit in tens place. So 1 plus 1, 2, and replace 1's place digit by 0. 17 rounded up to nearest 10 is 20. Next 83 rounds 2. Underline the digit in tens place. Tens place digit is 8. Right hand side digit 3. Is 3 greater than 5 or less than 5? 3 is less than 5. So there is no change in tens place. Write 8 and replace 1's place digit by 0. 83 rounded down to 80. Now add 20 plus 80. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 2, 10. The sum of 20 and 8 is 100. Again, 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3, 10. Write 0 and carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 100. The sum of 17 and 83 is 100. 56 rounds to nearest 10. 56 rounds to nearest 10. Underline the digit in tens place. What is the tens place digit? 5. Check right hand side digit. What is the right hand side digit? 6. Is 6 greater than 5 or less than 5? 6 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the digit in tens place. 5 plus 1, 6, and replace 1's place digit by 0. 56 rounds up to 60. Next 31 rounds to nearest 10. 31 rounds to nearest 10. First underline the digit in tens place. What is the right hand side digit? 1. Is 1 less than 5 or greater than 5? 1 is less than 5. So there is no change in tens place. Write 3 and replace 1's place digit by 0. 31 rounds down to 30. Now add sum 60 plus 30. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 3, 9. Sum of 60 and 30 is 90. Next 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. The sum of 56 and 31 is 87. Last one, 49 rounds to. 49 rounds to nearest 10. First underline the digit in tens place. What is the tens place digit? 4. Check right hand side digit. Is 9 greater than 5 or less than 5? 9 is greater than 5. So what we have to do? Add 1 to the digit in tens place. 4 plus 1, 5. And replace 1's place digit by 0. 49 rounds up to 50. Next 25 rounds to. 25 rounds to. Check tens place. What is the tens place digit? 2. Underline tens place digit. Next right hand side digit. What is the right hand side digit? 5. If the digit is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the digit in tens place. 2 plus 1, 3. And replace 1's place digit by 0. 25 rounds up to 30. Now add 50 plus 30. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8. The sum of 50 and 30 is 80. Next 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5, 14. Write 4. Carry over 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. The sum of 49 and 25 is 74. Children, complete the given assignment.